Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. She just let me know, but they show no fish. Didn't say he found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Didn't say he found it, but she doesn't want.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first YouTube video, so hope you guys enjoy. Today we will be doing lashes. These are the clusters, so we're gonna do lash clusters. It's actually my first time using lash clusters and bonded seals, so I'm kind of scared because usually I wear like lash strips. So this is gonna be real different for me. So I will be using this mirror, and I have a mirror right here. It has a light in it, so yeah, we'll be good. So today we're gonna be doing a cat eye. If y'all want to know, this is how the clusters look like. Definitely recommend. I'll be putting this link. If you want this, I'll put the link down in the description. Before we move on, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you have a blessed day and enjoy this video. Okay, first you need to curl your lashes. So I'm gonna curl my lashes first. I look frosty right now, guys, so don't come for me. Okay, now that we curl our lashes, we gotta put the bond in. So this is the bond. I'm gonna do 50. So first I'm gonna start off with, let's see, I'm gonna start off with 16 of the 50. Start off with 16. So I do have tweezers. So we're gonna put, first off, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. Okay, because this is my first time. We're gonna do this eye first. So we're gonna put the bond on. Okay. Just so y'all see. Let me turn this light on. Okay guys, so I put the bond on. So I'm kind of getting my eye a little bit, but it's okay. So we're gonna start off with 16. Okay guys, this is how 16 looks like. Okay, we're gonna put it on. Okay y'all, this is the 16. And we're gonna add another 16. Just how both 16s look like. And it's very sticky. Now we're gonna go in with a 14, which is right here. These are all 14s. We're gonna go with 2 of those. So first off, we're gonna go with 14. This is how 14 looks like, guys. Okay. I'm gonna try and do it in front of the camera. And we're gonna go in with another 14. Okay guys, so I got the other 14 on. It looks very different on my eye than the strips. So now we're gonna go in with 12s. These are all 12s right here. I'm going with a 12. Okay guys, this is how the 12 look like. And I'm gonna do this one off camera because I'm pretty sure y'all get them. Yeah. So okay guys, so this is what the 12 on, and I kind of like it. So we're gonna put the other 12 on them. Okay, so we added the other 12, and now we're gonna go in with a 10. I'm gonna show you what the 10s look like. So this is the 10, and we're gonna go with that next. Okay guys, this is what the 10s look like, and we're just gonna put that on. Now we're gonna go with a number 9. This is how a 9 looks like. It's very little. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Now I'm gonna clamp it all together so that the glue is stuck. Okay guys, make sure y'all like where it's at before y'all seal it. So I like where it's at. Okay guys, now I'm going to seal it. This is how the seal looks like. Y'all, I got the seal on my eye. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I'm gonna come back to y'all when this side is done.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow mama, cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Now I'm gonna add seal. Hopefully I don't get in my eyes this time, so I'm gotta be careful because it low-key kind of burned. Okay, this time I did good. Now we're gonna just put some on the tweezers and clamp it together. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, I like these better than the strips. Highly recommend. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and I really like it. I like these better than the strips. Y'all, when I tell y'all, run, don't walk. Hurry up and get these clusters on the seal. I like these more than the strips, and these better last long, because I heard people say these last 2 or 3 days, and we're gonna see. But highly recommend.